this lesson is about fonts in CSS, how to use a font in CSS. Okay, I download the web font. We have three type of font: WOFF or WOF font, true type font, and EOT. Okay, I make a folder which I call these fonts, and now I put my fonts into fonts folder. Okay, I have three type of fonts. Now in CSS I make font file.css. Okay, all right, assign font face and press tab. Okay, all right, my font name. Okay, what is my font name? Strand 2. Now I should link my font here and link my font. Okay guys, a backslash fonts and ttf and format. I write format true type, and again I write this, and again new URL and backslash fonts EOT and format equals to EOT. Again this one, again URL. The last one is WOF. I pressed Alt and Z to change my code style like this, and again format WOF. Okay guys, I set font weight normal and font style normal. Now I should link my font file in my HTMLs, but here I should write my HTML font family equals to strand 2. Okay, now I wanna write something. This is strand font. Now let's link at the first link our font style CSS font file, and at the second link our CSS style.css. Let's open this with live server. Can you see? This is our font. This is too easy to use fonts in HTML, CSS. And again, we have Google Fonts. This is more easy. You can choose many fonts here. For example, now I wanna use this. You can download this font family, or for example, now I wanna select regular 400. Here, use this import. Okay, use this in, for example, your style file, and save this, and again you should to use this in your CSS Roberto font. Oh, sorry, I opened something else. Okay, now I want to set an H1 or H2 with font family Roberto sans serif, and now H2 Roberto. Okay, let's see my live. Can you see this is Roberto, but this is the Stern font. Okay guys, have a good time. I wish good moment for you, and goodbye.